today. We are very happy to have you guys. All right, so to begin with today's AMA, let's have our very first lucky draw as a warm up. So let's go. All right, great. Hope you all get lucky. So if you do not win this time, do not worry. There will be more rounds for this AMA. And our guests have prepared some unique rewards for three lucky participants who ask questions about the projects. So listeners, please feel free to ask our speakers questions. You can just type in your questions along the way and stay with us. All right. So first of all, I would love to have our speakers to say hi and give us a brief introductions of their projects. Let's start with Benji from Crystal Fun. Hey, Benji, please go ahead.
Oh, hello. Well, first of all, thank you very much for having me here, and hello everyone. I was here last month with SecondLive EMA on April 17th, I guess,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm the assistant producer of Crystal Fun, and my name's Benji. And Crystal Fun is a decentralized gaming mega ecosystem and a studio, and we secured 5 million USD earlier this year in our seed round led by Kucoin Venture. And we aim to seamlessly integrate high quality games within a very sustainable economic system, ushering into a groundbreaking gaming experience into the Web3. We developed four games in the same ecosystem. We have Alter, Starfall, Endless War, and Survivor. And we recently, sorry, not recently, but last
Mm-hmm.
month concluded Alter's testing phase two, and we have achieved some great result with almost 4,000 participating players and more than 400,000 interacting addresses and over
Mm-hmm.
10 million on-chain transactions on X-Layer testnet. And we recently opened our NFT staking function and launched
Mm-hmm.
our new NFT asset as well. And also we launched our new game, Starfall, for closed elite test last for 2 weeks. Thank you. Going back to Alan.
All right. Thank you, Benji from Crystal Fun. Yeah, good to have you here. All right. So next, let's welcome Hannah from Tuna Chain. Hi, Hannah. Please go ahead. Oh, okay. Sorry. I think we lost Hannah for right now. So let's how about let's welcome Angie from Beirut. Hey Angie, please feel free to go ahead.
Hi everyone. I hope everyone have a pleasure and enjoy this AMA. So please stay until the end. Beetroot is the first programmable asset issuance protocol where the users and developers can create, manage, and trade their own digital assets like tokens and NFT on their Bitcoin chain, which is going to give a bigger representation, operability, diversity, and innovation of the Bitcoin ecosystem in terms of digital assets and functionality expansion, able to address the scalability challenge and opening also new business models and market. Since Beetroot enables a variety of commercial apps from game assets and artwork. And this expansion is possible thanks to the implementation of smart contracts, complex financial instruments, and the apps.
Mhm.
So additionally, Beetroot is built on top of the Bitcoin infrastructure, so the users and the developers can leverage the high security, the high decentralization, and the stability and acceptance that Bitcoin's network already offer and have. So this can attract more investors and developers to participate in the Bitcoin ecosystem. And we all hope that with this, everyone can see the big potential that
Mhm.
Bitcoin still have for offer to the cryptocurrency.
Yes. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Angie from Beetroot for the intro of the project. Thank you very much. All right. So seems like Hannah is back. Hi, Hannah. Please go ahead.
On. Yeah,
Yes, we can hear you.
Hannah in
Mhm.
partnership at Tuna Chain, and Tuna Chain is an innovative layer two solution for BTC ecosystem, and we are crafted on top of robust Bitcoin network designed to push the boundaries of blockchain technology. Our mission is to enhance Bitcoin's scalability and efficiency, making it more versatile for users and developers alike. By integrating the Ethereum virtual machine EVM compatibility, and we allow for the deployment of complex smart contracts and sophisticated applications directly on Bitcoin and manage all kinds of asset management. This is not only enrich Bitcoin's functionality, but also catalyze new opportunities within the broader crypto ecosystem. And Tuna Chain also introduced three innovative product pillars. One is OPZK dual phase mechanism for the execution, and the second is a modular approach including a data availability layer, and thirdly is a stable coin called Tuna, and Tuna Chain called Toro. So Tuna Chain is all about leveraging Bitcoin's inherent security while expanding its utility to meet the demands of modern blockchain applications. And this quarter, we are looking to launch our testnet and also introduce the Tuna DAO, launch multiple campaigns for our users. So it's a very community-driven ecosystem.
All right. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much for the introduction, Hannah from Tuna Chain. All right. So great. Thanks, everyone. Good to have you all. Good to have all you here for today's AMA. All right. So let's start with our first fixed question for today's AMA. So speakers. So in your opinion, so what is the hottest spot in the current market? And do you think there are any big innovation or technical achievements in shaping the gameplay during this current market? How about let's hear from Benji first. Hey, Benji, do you want to share with us?
Yeah, sure, of course. So many projects I've seen, they all have tremendous potential. And currently, the entire crypto market and its projects are more mature than ever before, like previous years. And both on technical and in terms of the team composition. And this year, we are witnessing a lot of Web2 companies transitioning into the Web3, and which is a very positive sign. And from the perspective of GameFi, because as you know, the Crystal Fund is actually a GameFi ecosystem, and many projects this year are more mature and diverse than in previous years, whether in terms of economy model or gameplay. And Crystal Fund has always had the advantage in game development with our team comprising members from renowned large companies. For example, Glue, Gameloft, Ubisoft, and Tencent. We offer the exclusive IP authorization from Shanda Games, among other forms of support. So I would say GameFi could be one of the biggest hotspot because the entry point is quite straightforward. You play the game and
Yes.
you make your profit. So now looking back at the Crystal Fund game ecosystem, you will see that we are not just making one standalone blockchain game. It's more like a bunch of high quality games forming a gaming ecosystem and exploring this new Web3. And each game that we release in our ecosystem in the future will empower our ecosystem token, Sifan. So our strategy, is all about building a gaming matrix and makes more resilience against a standalone game. Yeah. So to answer, I would say, there are a lot of DeFi and SocialFi projects integrating, algorithms and AI learning to provide aid in trading. And for GameFi project like us, we also need this new innovation to create a more playable game. For example, integrating AI as well. But however, I think beyond innovation and technology, a solid economic model is very important as well. Yeah, to attract Web2 user, the product need to be very much solidly developed, and with enhanced incentives. For traditional gamers, playing a game is a form of entertainment, and educating user about how they can play games and earn money simultaneously could be a very difficult question. And the influx of new players and the retention rate of existing players are very critical for a game's life cycle, which is a principle shared across both traditional and Web3 gaming. And I believe that GameFi project needs to offer a very engaging world and experience for new players, which may include, extensive, rich gameplay, diverse content, and a very welcoming community environment. And for existing players, games should provide, ongoing challenges and rewards to maintain players' interest and engagement. That might involve regular content updates, opportunity for social interaction, special attention, and rewards for their loyal players. So I would say in Web3 games, GameFi project, along with other, DeFi and SocialFi, beyond innovation and technology, we need to focus on the economic model and how we can help them to play and earn and use DeFi and earn and use SocialFi to earn. I think that would be very important to shape the future Web3 ecosystem. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much, Benji from Crystal Fun. Yes, totally agree that the GameFi is going to be big in the market very soon. Yeah, and we are also looking forward to see the combination with AI and also more user engagement too. Yeah, very good point. Thank you very much, Benji. All right. So next, let's hear from Hannah from Tuna Chain. Hi, Hannah. Please go ahead.
Yes, hi. You can hear me, okay. I'll agree with Benji. This year is big for pushing forward the gaming, and plus to Crystal Fun for pushing the innovations in gaming. And as an infra builder, I would think, especially in BTC ecosystem, we have seen a period of a constant wave of ordinal BTC layer 2 and other BTC ecosystem activities. And generally speaking, in this vibrant bull market, the standout trend is undoubtedly the surge in demand for scalable and sustainable blockchain solutions that can seamlessly support DeFi, Web3 applications, and everything else, including AI. So users are particularly key on platforms that provide robust security, high transaction throughput, and minimal fees. These attributes are fundamental for driving mass adoption and fostering the sustainable growth within the ecosystem, whether it's the bigger BTC ecosystem big picture or BTC layer 2 like Tuna Chain ourselves. The community is gravitating towards innovative solutions that promise not just to solve current issue, but also to provide a foundation for future expansion and applications. And Tuna Chain focus very much on paving the foundation and giving easy integration to developers and use high user experiences. And we also choose best in class technologies to compose the modular structure and providing different incentive for the
Mm-hmm.
users to participate and welcome different type of applications. So that in that way, this general purpose layer 2 can support all kinds of applications and push encouraging the adoptions much further. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Hannah. Yes, of course, the BTC ecosystem is definitely on fire. Yes, with the BTC's price going up, and there will be more and more new stuff will be come out, and so scalability is definitely very important. Yeah, we are looking forward to see more new development from Tuna Chain. Yeah, thank you, Hannah. All right, so next, let's welcome Angie from Beetroot. Hey, Angie, please go ahead.
Thank you so much. Well, so in my opinion, Bitcoin DeFi is the biggest hotspot of this bull market and will definitely be the mainstay of future development. By introducing the concept and application of DeFi to the Bitcoin network, innovate protocols, for example, such as Bitroot, will bring new life into the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. And as the originator of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, without relying on intermediaries, allows the individuals and business to borrow, make markets, invest, and engage in a wide range of financial activities on the Bitcoin network. Which will significantly increase the efficiency of capital usage, will also promote in the financial industry to a more fair, transparent, and inclusive direction. And regarding to the GameFi, I think the most popular gameplay among users is the play to earn, because in this game the players can perform various
Mhm.
actions such as completing in quests, battling with opponents, owning virtual assets, and participating in other game related to the activities to earn tokens or rewards. So in these games lies in their ability to provide users with both entertainment and financial incentives. So by blending gaming with decentralized finance, they offer a novel and potentially lucrative gaming experience that has captured the attention of gamers and investors within the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. So we believe that with the growth of the Bitcoin ecosystem, also will bring a lot of benefit to the GameFi as well.
Yes. Yes, thank you very much, Angie, for sharing. Yes, we do believe the BTC ecosystem will be will be on fire, and right now since we are going to embrace the next stage of this bull market, yes, I think the whole ecosystem will be also beneficial from it. Yes, thank you very much, Angie. So all right. So before we move to the next question, so let's have our second lucky draw for today, and also participants, if you have any questions for our speakers, so please feel free to type in the text box, and we will select some of you to answer. Yes. All right. So let's go. Thank you. All right. So great. I got 20 beans. Yeah, so lucky. So all right. So since we are talking about the current market, so speakers, so do you think there are any notable shifts in investors' behavior or sentiments during this bull market? How about let's start from Hannah from Tuna Chain. Hannah, do you want to go first?
Noticeable shifts.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not an investor, so I'm not professional on this, but I think most
Mm-hmm.
of the investor would be go with the market sentiment very much. And there has been most people have noticed the focus, the attention into the BTC ecosystem. And whereas we as infra, we also looking to incubate certain applications to invest in versatile applications to
Mm-hmm.
encourage that investment and innovation as well.
Mm-hmm.
That's my 2 cents.
Yes, thank you very much for sharing, Hannah from Tuna. Luna Chen. So all right. So next, let's welcome Angie from Beetroot to share with us. Hey Angie, please feel free to go ahead.
We are in the third question, right?
Yes. So, do you think there are any notable shifts in investors' behavior or sentiments during this market?
Well, in the past, investors have tended to view investment in cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, only as an alternative investment vehicle, focusing primarily on their store of value. But as a blockchain technology continues to innovate, investors are beginning to realize that the world of cryptocurrency holds many, many more possibilities, and they are paying more
Mm-hmm.
attention to its technical strength and ecological construction. And they are no longer more like a bystanders, but participants
Mm-hmm.
and leaders in this ecological development. So Beetle protocols allow investors to see this potential going to be used in emerging areas such as DeFi and NFT, giving Bitcoin the ability to natively issue more diverse assets and run more complex smart contracts. Beetroot open up new and innovative application scenarios for this new area and the Bitcoin and new markets.
Mm-hmm. Yes, thank you very much, Angie from Beetroot. Yes, we do believe that as the more and more people get familiar with Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin will have more utilities as well. Yes, thank you very much, Angie. Next, let's welcome Benji from Crystal Fund. Hey, Benji, please go ahead.
Yeah, sure. So looking at the situation since the very beginning of this year, until the approval of the ETF in US,
Hmm.
in Hong Kong,
Yes.
I think it's pretty clear that this bull market is gonna be different from previous ones, and the
Hmm.
investors, institutional investors and retail investors this year seem to be a lot smarter,
Hmm.
and both of them to the market like back in 2020 and